Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mind Quest. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest effortlessly while others struggle despite working hard? Neville Goddard, in his classic book Feeling is the Secret, reveals a timeless truth. It's not just your thoughts, but your feelings that create your reality. Today, we are diving deep into the psychology behind Neville's work, exploring how the law of attraction and the law of assumption actually function through your subconscious mind. The core teaching. In psychology, we know that the subconscious mind is the seat of habits, patterns, and automatic responses. Neville explains that whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind with feeling, not just as thought, becomes your lived experience. This is the essence of the law of assumption. What you feel and assume to be true, your subconscious accepts as real. And once your subconscious accepts it, your external world begins to mirror it. It's not just about wishful thinking. It's about living in the state of the wish fulfilled, emotionally, mentally, and energetically. Why feelings matter more than thoughts? Most people try to manifest by repeating affirmations or visualizations or scripting, but they forget that the emotional layer is the most important layer. Psychology tells us that the nervous system and brain don't just respond to logic, they respond to emotional intensity. For example, when you recall a memory, what makes it stick isn't the details, but the emotions you felt in that moment. Neville uses this principle. If you can feel now what it would be like, what it would feel like if your desire were already real, completely real, your subconscious can't tell the difference. It begins to create conditions that align with that feeling. The law of attraction versus the law of assumption. The law of attraction says that like attracts like, so your energy pulls in matching experiences. Whereas the law of assumption goes even deeper. It says you don't have to wait for attraction. By assuming something is already true within you, reality bends to that assumption. Think of it this way: attraction is waiting for it to come, and assumption is living as if you already have it, as if it's already here. Neville teaches that assumption is the shortcut because the subconscious mind doesn't operate in future tense, it only knows now, the present moment. So, how do we apply this practically? How do you use this mechanism in your daily life? Before sleep, Neville emphasized the state akin to sleep, SATS. It's a method. So, as you drift off, imagine and feel the end result you desire. The subconscious is most open during this time. Mental diet. So, watch your inner conversations. Are you replaying doubts or are you assuming your desire is already real? How are you thinking? What's going on? Feeling first. Don't just think, I want success. Instead, embody the relief, the gratitude, and the joy of already being successful. Anchor that emotion in your body. This is psychological reprogramming. You're training your subconscious to adopt a new identity, and your life shifts to match it. Finally, Neville Goddard's Feeling is the Secret reminds us of a profound truth. Your external life is nothing but a reflection of your inner state. Change your feelings and you change your reality. Psychology shows us that what we repeat emotionally becomes hardwired. Neville's wisdom shows us that what we feel consistently becomes our world. So the next time you want to manifest something, don't just think it. Feel it, live it, and be it. That's when the secret unlocks. If this video helped you to understand Neville Goddard's teachings in a deeper way, hit like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who's on their manifestation journey. Remember, your feelings are your secret, are your superpower. Use them wisely.